Question, guys. Do you know what is cold loop? Loop testing? Understand that questions, huh? So, okay. Do you know what is cold loop test? And the other one, do you know what is loop testing? Okay? So, you can identify, you can answer these simple questions if you are in the construction, in the quality, even you are a technician, okay, commissioning, you can answer this kind of questions. You can elaborate that one so that everyone also get knowledge about this kind of questions. All right, share your thoughts, share your knowledge, and let someone appreciate as well, like our new fresh graduate or newcomers in the field of construction, quality inspections, and also commissioning. Okay, so let's do this so that everyone can get benefits about these questions. I'm sure you can share this. All right, see you guys and enjoy your day.